Assalamu alaikum, beloved Hazur.
Wa alaikum salam.
My name is Aisha Alham and I'm from the Birmingham North Jamaat. And my question is, how important is it for Ahmadi Muslims to fight climate change?
Very important. You should try to avoid using car while traveling for a short distance, right? Either walk to that place or use bicycle. Right? Yeah. Cycling is good for your health as well. Secondly, every Ahmadi should make it a point that he should plant 2 trees every year. This is how you can fight climate change. If you are here, if we have 30,000 Ahmadis here in the UK or more, then every year we plant 60,000 trees. If not possible here, then those who travel to other countries, they can plant trees there. So in this way, we can help control the climate change.
Okay, Jazakallah Hazur.